the ghetto, where dreams are rare. Rising up from rubble, I see no despair. Concrete walls, steel bars, they try to hold me down, but my spirit's free, and I won't let them frown. Every step, every breath, a fight for my life. Through the streets, under the neon lights. The odds that's high, but I won't back down. With every day I'll build a brand new town. I rise from the ghetto stairs. With hope in my heart, I won't give up my steps. I rise through the night and day. With dreams in my eyes, I'll make my way. Education's my key to break this cycle. Books are my tools to change my reality. With every lesson I grow stronger, wiser. A future's within reach, I know I can do it. I won't let the shadows define my destiny. With every challenge, I'm setting myself free. I rise